All circuits channel. Which switch must be turned on to cause the fuse to blow? The current rating fuse is 0.5 ampere. First, we must know the current that passes through each lamp after the switch is turned on. Then, sum the current if more than 0.5 amperes, that means the fuse will be blown. The formula we use is: the current equals the power of the lamp divided by the voltage that supplies to a lamp. The supply voltage for each lamp is 220 volts. For lamp 1, S1 turn on. The current equals 40 watts divided by 220 volts, which equals 0.182 ampere. For lamp 2, S2 turn on. The current equals 60 watts divided by 220 volts, which equals 0.273 ampere. For lamp 3, S3 turn on. The current equals 100 watts divided by 220 volts, which equals 0.455 ampere. Now, you know all a lamp current used. If S1 and S2 are turned on, the summation of the current is 0.182 plus 0.273 equals 0.455 ampere, lower than 0.5 ampere. A fuse not blown. And if S2 and S3 are turned on, the summation of the current is 0.273 plus 0.455 equals 0.728 ampere. The fuse F1 will be blown. And if S1 and S3 are turned on, the summation of the current is 0.182 plus 0.455 equals 0.637 ampere. The fuse F1 will be blown. And if turn on only one switch, the current is lower than 0.5 ampere. The fuse F1 also will not be blown. This is the answer to this question.